Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia. In this video, I will explain technical jargon to those without an IT background using simple and easily understandable terms. I am a new YouTuber and I would really appreciate your support as I start my journey. Please show your support by subscribing to my channel, smashing the bell icon to receive notification for my future videos. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the content. Your support means a lot and will help me improve along the way. Let's begin. Today, I have something super cool to share with you, ChatGPT. You see ChatGPT everywhere, YouTube, website, and it's on all sorts of social media. I know some of you might be thinking, what's ChatGPT all about? Well, worry not. I'm here to give you the lowdown in plain and simple terms. Now, I know some of you might be new to the world of technology, so I'm here to help you understand some important terms related to AI and ChatGPT. Let's start with some important terms you should know. Artificial intelligence means making computers smart like humans. For example, have you ever used voice assistants like Siri or Alexa? They use AI to understand your voice commands and help you find information or play your favorite songs. A language model is a smart program that understands and talks like humans. Imagine typing a question to a computer and it responds as if a person is replying to you. That's what a language model does. Input is the information or questions you give to ChatGPT. It's what you say or type. For example, if you want to know the capital of France, you can ask ChatGPT, "What is the capital of France?" Output is the response or answer that ChatGPT gives you. It's what you see or hear on the screen. So, when you ask ChatGPT about the capital of France, it might say the capital of France is Paris. What is a ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a special kind of language model. It's like having a virtual friend who understands and chats with you. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT about the weather, recipes, or even get help with homework. It will provide you with answers just like a helpful friend would. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company. ChatGPT has come a long way with lots of improvements. Each new version made it even better, building on what came before. Even though the models has been around for a while, it was with ChatGPT 3 that people finally got the chance to directly talk to ChatGPT, ask it questions and get helpful and practical answers. I'm going to teach you how to access ChatGPT and try out a few simple prompts. Don't worry if you're not tech savvy. I will guide you through every step using simple terms. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a device like a smartphone, tablet, or computer with internet access. Open up your web browser like Google, Chrome, or Safari, or type in ChatGPT in the search bar. Look for the official website or platform offering ChatGPT. Once you found it, click on the link to access the website. Go to website openai.com and register for an account with an email address or a Google or Microsoft account. You'll need to create an account on the OpenAI website to log in and access ChatGPT, but it is free. If you have never created an account before, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to enter your information. OpenAI does require a valid phone number for verification to create an account on its website. Let's sign in now. Next, you'll see a few disclaimers come up before you can actually chat with the AI chatbot. Read them over and accept them one by one to enter the chat.
Once you have logged into your OpenAI account on the ChatGPT side of the website, it's time to get to know the AI Tools window. New Chat and Hide Sidebar buttons. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a button for New Chat that you can click on to start a fresh conversation at any time. This feature is useful because the ChatGPT model remembers what was previously discussed in a conversation and will respond with content. So starting a new chat will create a new discussion without prejudice or context. This is the chat history. The left sidebar also keeps all your previous conversations accessible in case you need to go back to one, though there is the option for turning off chat history. Here you can edit the title of each chat, share your chat history with others, or delete it. This is your account. Clicking on your email address will give you access to your account information, including settings, the options to log out, helps, and FAQ from OpenAI. If you don't have a ChatGPT Plus, you will see an Upgrade to Plus button here. This is your prompt. The questions or prompts you give the AI chatbot will appear here. ChatGPT responses. Wherever ChatGPT responds to your queries, the logo will appear on the left. The copy, time up, and times down buttons appear to the right side of its response. You can copy the text to your clipboard to paste it elsewhere and provide feedback on whether the response was accurate. This process helps fine-tune the AI tool. Regenerate response. If you have issues getting a response in the chat or don't get a satisfactory answer, you can click on Regenerate Response to prompt ChatGPT to try again with a new reply for the latest prompt. This is the text area. This section is where you enter your prompts and questions. Just hit Enter to send them. ChatGPT's version. OpenAI includes a bit of fine print below the text input area where you can read the disclaimer that this is a free research preview. ChatGPT may produce inaccurate information about people, places, or facts. This section also shows the version of the ChatGPT model you are currently using. Now you know how to log into and access ChatGPT. Let's try out a few simple prompts to see how ChatGPT responds. Type your ChatGPT prompts in the text bar at the bottom of the page and press Enter to submit your questions. What is the weather today? ChatGPT answers that it does not have real-time data. Let's try another one. Tell me a joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. That's a good one. Let's try one more. How about asking ChatGPT what is ChatGPT? Well, it provides a very detailed explanation. It seems to know itself very well. See how easy it is. You can ask ChatGPT about all sorts of things, from fun facts to helpful tips. Do feel free to explore different prompts and see what interesting response you'll get.
ChatGPT can do a lot of helpful things. Here are some examples. Customer support and service. You can answer common questions give info about products or services, and help with basic troubleshooting in customer service situations. Information retrieval. If you need to find something specific from a big amount of information, ChatGPT can help you get the right answers. Language translation. It can translate text passages or sentences between different languages, making it easier to communicate and understand each other. Content generation and editing. For writers, editors, and content creators, ChatGPT can suggest ideas, help with editing, and improve the overall quality of written content. If you're a writer, ChatGPT can be the gate through to generate story ideas, develop characters, and even assist with writing dialogue. Educational assistance. For learners, ChatGPT acts as a virtual tutor, answering questions, explaining concepts, and offering guidance in different subjects. Personal productivity. ChatGPT can be your virtual assistant, helping you manage your schedule, set reminders, create to-do lists, and give recommendations based on your preference, and many, many more. Just to clarify, I'm not getting paid by OpenAI for making this video. Right now, OpenAI's ChatGPT 3.5 is free for everyone to use. However, there's also a paid version called ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 per month. You can see the differences between the paid version and the free version in the table here. Just a friendly reminder, while ChatGPT is a fantastic tool, it's essential to use it responsibly. Remember that ChatGPT is an AI and may not always provide accurate information. Double check important facts from trusted sources, especially for things like medical advice or legal matters. Bias means having preference or unfair opinions. Sometimes ChatGPT might have bias, like preferring one answer over another. For example, if you ask ChatGPT who is the best singer, it might give you a biased response based on the data it was trained on. That's why it's important to think critically and consider different opinions. Well, that's a wrap for today's introduction to ChatGPT. I hope you found it helpful. Don't be afraid to ask ChatGPT anything and have fun exploring its capabilities. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. See you next time.